Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This episode of Fort Space, we're gonna pick back up on a project. So I am going to debadge my little commuter car. In the meantime, kind of give you guys an update on the garage. So, no more garage door opener up here. And then, as you can see, we now have our rails run all the way up to the ceiling. So we're gonna change out this spring at some point in time to a side mounted unit. So we'll still have a garage door opener, but we'll be able to open it up all the way. Okay, maybe I'll unlock it first, huh? And we can still take the car all the way up to the ceiling. Since I don't feel like sitting out in the sun, we're gonna take the car up, bring the little Corolla in here, and then debadge it in the shade. That didn't sound right. Well, there was the very question about if I would buy this lift from this company again. I think pretty obviously the answer is not just no, but hell no. So there was some arcing and smoke coming out of a motor. I'm guessing it's probably the brushes, which should not happen on a brand new freaking lift, but not what I was planning to be doing right now. Let's take a peek. No, that just smells like burned something. Oh yeah. What the f? So this isn't supposed to be open like this. Well, as you guys can see, the capacitor has stored its last little bit of energy and it is done. So the entire core has blown out of the middle. And it's blown open. So, take this out of here. Yeah, that's definitely a little bit of a blowout. All right, well, I guess we're not gonna take the lift all the way up. I gotta order a new capacitor. And yeah, that also means the 944 is kind of stuck on the lift because I can't go up and I can't go down. So out of curiosity, I went ahead and opened up the other side for the other line. And won't you just look at that? It's a completely different capacitor. So I'm gonna go ahead and purchase those and wait for them to come in. In the meantime, we are gonna go pop outside and debadge that Corolla. All right, guys, well, I guess we're gonna go ahead and do it out here, and I'm gonna have a sun in my eyes, but that's okay. So we're gonna go ahead and debadge this. First of all, buying a new car. As per our course, I go in there, look at the car, I'm signing the paperwork, they take it back to detail it. It comes back with a stupid ass sticker on there. So we're gonna take this off, we're gonna remove a frame. I hate advertising for somebody for free. They're not paying me to advertise for them, so out they go. We're gonna remove a Corolla badge, and we're gonna remove a hybrid badge. So, like I said, it's a commuter, but I wanna just clean it up just a little bit. So in order to remove all this, we're gonna need a couple things. Heat gun. So these are usually stuck down with some foam-backed adhesive, double back. So you just apply a little bit of heat. You need to take some string, run it on the backside, and it will cut the foam and pop it loose. Then for this guy, gentle application of heat, and then a plastic razor blade. And then this, obviously, just 2 screws, pop it off, and it's gone. Now we'll clean this off with some acetone and get that all off there. But first, we're gonna apply some heat and get this guy off here. And voila, it's gone. And now the easy part. All right, last thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and pop off these crappy hubcaps because these do have rims under the hubcaps. So to do that, you just have to get your hands down in here and just pull on it until it pops loose. And hopefully I don't fall on my butt. Like that. And we're gonna go ahead and toss these in the trash. All right, there we are. So no more badging anywhere, no more dealer logos, stickers, anything like that. Looks so much cleaner. So just remember when you're doing this, if you're gonna do it yourself, moderate the heat. You don't wanna put too much heat on it. You don't wanna damage your paint. When you're using your string, just go slow and go long strokes. If you go in a narrow area, it's gonna apply too much heat to the string and the string's gonna just snap on you. And then most important of all when debadging, make sure the surface is clean beforehand because you don't want to be scratching your surface. As to application of the acetone and isopropyl alcohol or denatured alcohol, just gentle. You don't want to leave it on there too long because it will soften the paint until it rehardens when it evaporates off. So that's going to be it for this episode. Next episode, we are going to be back on the 944. I have a CD7 can display dash for it. We're going to get rid of some of the gauges that we have in there and get a broader spectrum of what is being displayed. One of the things that kind of irked me is my coolant temp gauge failed, so I haven't been driving it. So this is my solution. Just get a AEM digital dash. Catch you guys next time.